So many people requested for this video. Welcome to this week Delicious Weekly. In this video, I will be showing you very simple 5 ways to bleach your palm oil at the comfort of your home. Let's go. Transparency. Yes, you need a pot that has a transparent lid. Why am I saying this? That's because you want to see everything going on inside that pot, because for no reason should you open this pot once you close it. Dry pot. Yes, you need a dry pot. Why am I saying this? That's because if you use a pot that has water in it, by the time you add your oil or you turn in your oil, trust me, it starts bubbling already. So you need a dry pot for this process. Tissue paper. You need tissue papers to fill in this hole, this small ventilation hole you're seeing here. You need to fill it up, because if you leave it open, fumes, smoke will just escape from there and the whole bleaching process is defeated. So fill up this hole with a tissue paper or a cloth. I call this the whitening process. Then in this process, just look at this red bubbles you're seeing here. Ensure the oil heats till these red bubbles turn into white and then disappear. At this point, you know that the bleaching process has been completed. Then you turn off your heat immediately. Cool. You do not want to open this pot while it is still hot. So wait for 30 minutes before opening this pot so you don't burn yourself. And that's because if you open the pot at this time, the whole fume, the whole smoke you were trying to avoid will just come off and you've defeated the whole bleaching process. There you have it. Simple, quick and efficient. Please don't forget to like this video. I will see you in my next Delicious Weekly. Stay blessed and keep doing good.